This is Causeway Bay, one of the busiest shopping districts in Hong Kong. As you can see here, many shops still shut down. I want to interview the shop owners and sales, but most of them do not want to take my interview, as they say they are afraid of being targeted by the protesters because of the escalating violence recently. So, looks like this is the freedom the young protesters want.
Sorry.
Okay.
唔好意思啊。
sorry，我想問下，而家個示威對你哋有咩影響啊？
我哋唔方便回應嘅，係啊，我哋唔接受訪問嘅，係啊。
而家嗰啲示威對你哋有咩影響啊？而家個示威對你哋做生意有咩影響啊？
我哋冇
影響啊？
唔好意思啊，或者你問翻我哋公司啦，係啦。
又要早落站冇生意啊？
OK。
好大影響。
There's been a big impact. Nobody's coming. No cars are coming here. It's like an empty city. Look, no one is there on the whole street. No business. It's fallen by 60-70%.